Good morning, fourth graders, and welcome to Friday's 4G Writing Corner. We are here again talking about our paper on our favorite holiday. Now, on Tuesday, we learned about the pick, list, and choose way of brainstorming, which helps you take a very big topic of favorite holiday and narrow it down to one good topic, which I chose 4th of July, and you probably chose something different, and that's perfectly fine. On the next day, we learned how to hook our readers, how to get them really interested in our writing with either the question, the exclamation, the onomatopoeia, or the amazing fact. Then we went on to develop our introductory paragraph by writing a topic sentence to let our reader know what they were writing about. Now today, we're going to be working on main idea number 1. So we're going to be starting the second paragraph in our writing. And you will see here, we have 4.11b. I can develop a draft using main idea number 1. And you see here, I have a stool with 3 legs. And you're like, Miss Raymond, why is that stool there? That doesn't make any sense. Well, it does. Pretend like the top of the stool up here is your main idea. And remember, I said 3 is the magic number when you're writing. So you have 3 legs. So I'm going to need 3 details underneath my main idea to hold it up. If you cut one of the legs off the stool, what's going to happen? It's going to fall over. Well, the same thing when you're writing. You need 3. Sometimes stools have 4 legs. I suppose you could have a stool with 5 legs, but you got to have at least 3 or that stool is going to be falling over. And we don't want that to happen to our writing. We want to have good writing. So how many ideas should you have? 3. How many details should support each idea? 3. So now when you're talking about your main ideas, you, the writer, you get to choose which order you put them in. Just because in your brainstorming, I said fireworks, friends, food, doesn't mean it has to be in that order, okay? So I get to choose which order I put it in. I'm going to start with friends because the first thing I do on 4th of July is see friends, then we eat the food, then we see the fireworks. So I'm going to put it in what they call chronological order. And that just means the order that things happen in. So here we go again. All right. And I'm going to show you main idea number 1, friends. I'm going to do just a little bit of brainstorming because on my brainstorming the other day, I didn't have any details. So what do I like to do with my friends? Okay, let's see. I'm going to just put friends. And I'm going to need the 3 legs of my stool. 1, 2, 3. Well, I'm an adult, so I enjoy just sitting and talking to my friends, okay? Sometimes we play games with my friends. Or there have been times on the 4th of July when we go swimming. Okay, so there I have 3 things to support what I'm doing with my friends. All right, now I'm going to start my paragraph and I'm going to indent because we always indent our paragraphs and start with a capital letter. So during the 4th, now this is my holiday. And here in America, we can just refer to it as the 4th because we know that that means the 4th of July, but it's still capitalized to show it is the holiday. During the 4th, my time with friends, time with friends is, I could put fun. That's not really the best word. And I look back on all those 4th of Julys I spent with friends and it makes me so happy to think about it. So I'm going to say my time is treasured. It's like a treasure to me. We always have fun together. Okay? What are the things we have fun together doing? We have fun talking, playing games, swimming. Okay? So, but we don't always do all those things. So I'm going to use the word sometimes. Sometimes we play outdoor games. Oh, I use an adjective there so they would know what kind of games we're playing. Outdoor games. Other times, oh my goodness, other times, is it okay to make mistakes? Yeah, this is just our first draft. That's what happens. Other times, and notice I pause when I talk there, so I'm going to put a comma. We go swimming. Because it's hot on the 4th of July. That's a very nice way to cool off. I'm going to put that in there, swimming to cool off. And then my third idea was the talking. I have to put all 3 in or my stool's going to fall over. Although it looks like it's going to fall over because Miss Raymond isn't the best artist, but that's okay. Okay? Even if we are just talking, now notice a pause. Even if we are just talking, I'm still having fun with my friends. Okay, so did you hear the pause? So I put the comma. Okay, even if we are just talking, I am still having fun. Oh, fun, I use that word, but did I use it up here? I used treasured. Oh, I used fun here. That makes me think when I'm editing and revising, I'll probably want to go back and change that because I don't want to use fun too many times in the paragraph. But I'll leave that for revising and editing. I am still having fun with my friends. I'm just going to double check because I think that's the end of my paragraph. But a paragraph, remember, has to be 3 to 5 sentences. So I'm going to go back and just double check. Period. There's 1 sentence. 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 sentences. Always check, make sure you have enough. Because if you don't have those 3 legs of the stool, your writing's going to fall over, your reader's going to lose interest, and your teacher, she's going to say, you need to add more in here. All right, so that's pretty short for today for 4th graders, but that's all I have. This is our first main idea. So we've already written 2 paragraphs of our paper, the introduction that has the hook and the topic sentence, and then we wrote the main idea number 1, which had 3 supporting details in it. I hope you have a great day and a great weekend. I will see you again on Monday.